What's going on YouTube? It's EJ on the check-in. Today's video, we got a recap of Supreme box logos and Jordan 1's Lucky Greens.
Good luck. Oh, my computer's going up in smoke right now.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, this is not good. I'm trying to late into
Oh, picked up.
Yep.
Green.
Oh god, no, my computer! No!
Why didn't you run on the
Hit
server?
something.
I think I got one.
Yeah, I
Oh,
think I
fuck,
did too.
Jesus
I
Christ.
think I got one.
What the
I got one.
Bro.
I got one. Yeah.
What the what
Velox. Velox.
I caught
Let's go! I got one! Let's go!
Why am I still having
catches?
Why am I getting
Yeah.
failed? What?
You get like payment queued and then it's
But yeah, a lot of mine were payment failed.
My info.
I hit on Cyber.
Let's go!
Damn,
bro. Let's go!
I got payment failed on
Are you
everything,
kidding
bro.
me, though?
I had it again somewhere.
How to start checking it out.
Is this Swipsaw? Yo. Ooh, hit one. Okay, yeah. Let's go.
Did I just hit with Dashy? Yeah, I just hit with Dashy.
Yo!
It's like late as fuck.
Right.
Who else is using Mac?
I'm on right now, man.
Box logos are always more difficult to touch than other drops because of all the hype that's associated with them. For that reason, I always go into the drops expecting the L or even ghost orders. To my surprise, this drop, both orders stuck, both orders shipped, we're good to go. For Lucky Greens, I was actually at work the entire drop. So I recorded from my computer, used a remote desktop to tap into my computer, stuff captures right from there, touch screen right from the phone, able to do whatever I need to do. Still ended up getting, I think 7 pairs total. No. Crucial. With my student.
Is it live?
Come on.
Yep, it's live. Yeah, it's live.
Collecting data.
What?
This one live.
What did?
Oh, what was that?
Spring.
Oh yeah.
I'm just collecting data.
Loading checkout. Captures. Captures.
To get your name.
What the fuck?
Guys, captures.
Capture boys.
What the
One
hell?
quick do
Nice.
that
I've got
thing. Checking out.
26 on submit order. Brilliant. Okay. Yep. Oh.
eShop drop yet? No, they
No.
didn't.
I've been watching it on the side of my eye.
So I decided to go for Supreme box logo Fleece. Super last minute. Didn't do very much setup at all. Didn't really care. Took an L, but I did catch a very interesting conversation that happened during the restocks.
Bro, the Model S is starting at 69K?
Is it is it that the new one that he was showing off,
Yes.
like with the new colors and shit?
Yes.
I mean that makes
have to switch the car.
that's kind of a deal though for what he's talking about, because it's like I think you go 0 to 60 in like 2.3 seconds.
No, that's the performance.
Yeah, yeah. I thought the new one is a performance. Like I
Yeah,
thought
the Model
only making
S
performance.
stands for...
3.7.
Model S.
It's
Wait, let me see.
Bro,
Model
I'm
S.
looking on the website right now. It says Model S starting at 70,000 dollars.
I don't know.
That's normal for the Model S.
Yo, that's nothing though, bro. Like, cause you're not paying for gas.
Fucking dead.
Hey, no.
Yeah, dude. Until
Nah, you
Dime
guys
hits your
wanna
ass with that
know-
fat ass insurance bill.
Yo, do you guys want to know
No.
what the actual starting price is, bro?
Yeah,
That starting price is $69,420.
Oh yeah, nothing, bro.
Yeah, no, Teslas are cheap, man.
Yeah, how much? But think about how much you said. How much you spend in gas a month?
Oh my, shut the fuck up.
I mean, like, even insurance, plus it's like made in the U.S. Parts are easy to
It's a
get.
lot of.
No,
So,
I don't
yeah,
think you guys
yeah, it's
get it. It's 69,420. He did that on purpose.
Well, no,
Yeah.
I got that. I just kind of.
Oh shit!
Oh,
Ha!
shit, that shit, that's from right over my head. Not
Nah,
gonna lie.
nah. Elon a fucking freak.
Yeah, that's funny as shit. No, Elon funny as shit, bro.
Elon a
fucking
goddamn
dead.
freak, bro.
Well, no. Well, he made the whole lineup spell sexy. Model
Yeah.
S,
Yeah,
Model
he
3,
did.
Model X, and Model Y. You ever noticed that,
You
dude?
haven't heard that?
That's right over your head. Dude.
Oh my
Really?
god!
Yo, he funny as shit. You can't even lie. That's so funny ass dude.
He actually
Oh my god!
You ain't even noticed that,
Oh my god! Yo, holy shit, bro! That's it for this one. Catch y'all on the next round.